Hello everyone, I'm Ushwara. Today we are discussing about magnetic force and torque on a current loops are there. So first of all, what is that? Today's agendas are the review and some interesting consequence of that. What is that? F is equals to Q V cross B. So you must understand the similarities, the difference between electric force and the magnetic force on a charged particles. Now the magnetic force on a current and the current carrying wire. So you must be able to calculate the magnetic force on a currents are there. So magnetic force on a current and a current carrying wires. So first of all, magnetic force and a torque on the current loops. You must be able to calculate the torque and the magnetic moment for current carrying wires in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, so see here, first of all, what is the applications of that? So what is that? The galvanometers, electric motors, rail guns. You must be able to use your understanding of a magnetic force and the magnetic fields to describe how electromagnetic device operate. So what is that applications are there? It will be used as the galvanometer, electric motors, rail guns. You must be able to use your understanding of a magnetic force and the magnetic fields due to describe how electromagnetic device operate. Okay, how the electromagnetic devices operate. So first of all, see here, magnetic force and torque on a current loop. So we shows not in a general but illustrated the technique that the need force on a current loop in a uniform magnetic field is zero. So what is that? The need force on a current loop in a uniform magnetic field is a zero. So see here, no net force means no motions. So no net force, no net force means no motions. So not. Now, see here, example a rectangular current loop of area A is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Calculate the torque on the loop. Okay, see here, this is our loop are there. See, this is our loop, and this blue line it gives that the magnetic fields are there. Okay, this blue lines it gives that the magnetic field are there. So let the loop carry a current counterclockwise current I and have a length L and the width is W. See, it is a length is L and the width is W are there. Okay, so see here, length and length is L and the width is W, and it is current passing from this loop. It is that I. So throwing this knot means it to imply that the top and bottom parts are outside of the magnetic field regions are there. So see here, there is a no force on a horizontal segment because the current and magnetic field are in the same directions. Okay, it is in a same direction. So see here, at the time there is a no current, there is a no force. So see here, this is no force on a horizontal segment because the current and magnetic field are in the same directions are there. Okay, so see here, now the vertical segment on the left field force out of the page. See, there the left field force feels a force out of the page. It means there are the when what will happen? There are the magnetic fields in these directions and the current in the outsides of the directions or are there. So due to the right hand thumb rule, we have shows that the finger shows the circular motion of the electric field and the thumb is shows the current of the magnetic field, and also it is a gives the magnet also it is a gives the in which directions of the field are there. So sorry, in which directions the force are there. So out of the page we can see the out of the page. So see we have drawn that the dot are there. So the vertical segment on the right feels the force into the page. Okay, the force field into the page. So it means there are the cross. See here, there are the cross are there. So this is our F of R. Now the two forces have the same magnitude FL and FR. So it is equals to IL into V are there. Okay, what is that? IL into V. Now the because of the FL FR the opposite direction, there is a no net force on this current loop, but there is a net torque are there. See here, there is a no current, no net force on the current loop, but there is a net torque is there. So see here, let's look down along the green axis. I just drawn. See here, there are the see. I just drew. Okay, so see here. Now the top view of the current loop working, looking down at the instant the plane of the loop is parallel to the magnetic field. Okay, the loop is parallel to the magnetic field. On that time, what is that? The I of R current is that F of R, and the C here I of L, it is equals to F of L on that current, on the force of that. So see here in general torque is that tau it is equals to R cross F R there. So but R is equals to W by 2 F of R, but F of R it is equals to ILB. Okay, F of R is equals to ILB are there. So F it is, tau it is tau of R it is equals to W by 2 F of R 1 by 2 W I L B are there. So this is our torque on the R direct R point, and now see here torque on a L point are there. It is also tau L is equals to W by 2 F of L, it is equals to 1 half W I L B. It is also W I L B are there. So see here the tau net is equals to R, tau of R and tau of R plus tau of L, it is equals to W I L B, but W into L it is equals to A. So area of the loop it is equals to W, the net torque is that I into A into B are there. So IAB it is our torque or the net torque. Now whenever the magnetic field is not parallel to the plane of the loop, on that time what will happen? There are the making angle between theta on the between the origins are there. So this theta is known as the sine theta. We are discussed taking that the sine theta value of sine theta. So what we will get? We will get that the tau of R it is equals to W by 2 F of R sine theta. What is that? W by 2 F of R sine theta. So it is equals to 1 half W by W I L B sine theta. And also the tau of L. See here tau of L it is equals to, it is also making the theta. So on the time W by 2 it is equals to F of L sine theta. It is equals to 1 by 2 W I L B sine theta. But now we are adding this both the things on the time. What we will get? Tau of R it is equals to W by the tau of R plus tau of L it is equals to W I L B sin theta. But W L it is equals to A. So I A B sin theta are there. Now see here, I define a vectors A whose magnitude is the area of the loop and whose directions is given by the right hand rule. So cross A into B, get that then tau is equals to A cross B. Okay, what is that? Tau is equals to A cross B. So the magnetic loop are there, tau is equals to I A cross B. So alternative way to get the directions of A, curl of your fingers right hand around the loop in the directions of the current, thumb point in the directions of A vectors are there. So this is our basic things are there. So see here, now IA is defined to be the magnetic moment of the current loop. IA is defined the magnetic moment of the current loop. So it is equals to mu. So tau it is equals to mu cross B. Tau it is equals to mu cross B. So now your starting equation sheet has mu it is equals to I N N I A. Mu it is equals to n into I into a, where number of turns is equals to n is equals to I for a single loops are there. So number of turns it is depend on the magnetic moment of current loop, it is depend on the NIA, number of turns into current into A. So thank you guys, thank you so much. So guys, if you have any kind of problems, if you have any kind of doubt in this lecture, then comment in the comment box. Thank you guys, thank you so much.